Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the copy entities command. And this command is somehow related with the move entities. And if you have not watched my video on move entities, I would prefer you to first watch the video on move entities. I will attach the link of the move entities command video in the I button. Now, let's continue with this video on copy entities. You will get the command of copy entities in the Sketcher environment, as currently I am in the Sketcher environment, and under the drop down button of the move entities you will get the command. So first we have to activate this. To activate this we have to define some entities here, as only then we are able to use the move entities or copy entities command. So I'm going to make some circle here like this. Now press escape. Now here you can see this command has been activated. Now let's go to the drop down of this. So here comes the property manager. Like in the case of move, it moves from this position to this position. But in the case of copy, it is going to copy from this to this. That means two circles will be made like here and here. So the very first column is regarding the entities to copy. So here we have to select the items like entities, we have sketches and annotations. So this is how we can have the selection here. And regarding the keep relations, I would prefer you to activate this toggle because this is going to keep the relations among the entities. Otherwise, the sketch will get disturbed. Now let's go to the parameter of from and to. So what is from to? Let's check directly through the demonstration. So this is how I am going to perform the selection, and here is from to. Like from means from the start point and to the endpoint. Like this is the start point and the endpoint is going to be this origin. So you can see now we have two circles of the same dia like 40.13. So this is how we can perform the copy function. Now I'm going to make a rectangle here like this, and I'm going to have some circles in this like this. Now the question is why we use move entities and copy entities command. The basics of these command is to change the position of the sketch, and along with that if there is a complex geometry in the sketch and I need to copy that particular sketch entities to a new location. So the choice is all yours whether the designer wants to copy them or to move them. It depends on the requirement. Okay, now I'm going to make a line here like this. I want these all sketch entities to be get copied from this point to this point. So now let's go to the copy entities and I'm going to select all this. You can also perform this selection like this, and here I'm going to pick the point of from, and this is the to. So you can see I can copy as many as I can like this. So wherever you click on the graphics window, it is going to generate the copies like this. So this is how copy entities work with the option of from to. And we are going to discuss the next option, which is X and Y. So I'm going to delete them all. This one also and this one also. Now let's define a rectangle here. Just log the position for this from this to this. This is going to be as 60 and the vertical direction is going to be as 80. Now let's quickly go to the copy entities command. Here is the command of copy entities. Here I have to select the entities, so I'm going to select this. You have to just hover your mouse in the center of the rectangle and just have a click. Okay, so this will auto select all the lines related to the rectangle. Now we have the option of X by Y. So in the X direction, by how much value you want to move it. So I need the movement by 200 mm, and this movement in the y direction is going to be as 50 mm. So if I ask to you, like this point will be at what position from origin? So it will be like 60 plus 200, 80 plus 50. Now let's check. So the total will be, in the x direction it is going to be as 260, and in the y direction it is going to be as 130. Now let's check. So just go to the smart dimensions. This is going to be as 260, and in the y direction it is going to be as 130. 80 plus 50. Now you can see this is how to perform the copy entities with the option of from to and with the option of x by y. Basically, it is going to have the direction in the x and y, like what is delta x, what is change. Delta means change in x. Okay, so you can also put the minus value here. Let me show you that, like this, and I need this to be get here in this x direction by minus 70. So now you can see this is moving. So I'm going to put some more value like minus 100, or put some more, because I need the separation to be more. Like, okay, this is perfect, and I need this to be minus 400. 400 is too much, so I'm going to put at 100, like here. So from this position it has came to this position. Now if I ask to you like what is the position of this, so it will be like minus 200 plus 60, which is 140. Now let's check only in the x direction, okay, because the concept is already been cleared, like how the x and y works. So now you can see this is 140. I hope the concept of the x and y is clear to you, and how to put the negative values in that columns. So this is all in the copy entities. Let's have a quick recap. We have checked for the entities to copy, like we can perform the selection here, and we can also perform the multiple selections. Like if I want to have the multiple selections, so I can perform it easily on this command. Along with that, we have the parameters like from and to. We have to pick the start point and then leave the entity at the start point. It is not about the drag and drop, it is only about the click. Like do have the single click here, leave the mouse, and do have the single click here. This is how you have to perform in the case of from to. In the case of xy, we have delta, that is change. Delta means change. So this is how we have got the demonstration regarding that, like how to change the x and y. So this is all in the copy entities command in detail. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of the copy entities command in SolidWorks. Please do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.